here. I'm at the University of South Carolina. I'm just touring around. I'm going to try to explain to you land versus chattels. I don't really know that they know that I'm here. I just had some time before I went to the airport and thought I'd see it. If it's tangible property, it's either land or it's a chattel. Pretty campus, very moist. So if it's tangible property, it's either land or it's a chattel. There's really no other category if it's tangible property. So I thought we'd just test some things here to see if they are land or a chattel. Let's check this out right here. That's land. Okay, that wasn't challenging actually. Let's check out. We got a couple signs here. Let's check this one out. That's land. That's part of the real property because it's permanently affixed the land. It's an improvement on the land, you could say. So that's part of the land. Now this sign, let's just pull. Oh, comes right out. So that's a chattel. You see how that's a chattel? Because it's not part of the land. If it's tangible property and it's not land, it's not real property, it's not land or a fixed land or a building or an improvement on land, then it's a chattel. Sometimes called personal property or tangible personal property. How about this? You've got a lamppost here. Land. That's land for sure. Oh, that's a big bug up there. Ugh. It's not land or chattel. That's part of nature. It's not property. It's not owned. I guess if I exercise dominion over that bug, which I'm not going to do, then I could make it my chattel. That bug was disgusting. So let's find a building. There's a good one over here. Look at this one. I'm going to touch this building. Hey, it's real property. That's land. This is land. People might think you're stupid saying that's land, but to a lawyer that's land, because if I knock a chunk out of this building, which I wouldn't do because that'd be mean, but that'd be trespass to land. Here, let's try this over here. What's this? It's a tree. Ooh, and a bug just jumped off. Well, it's springtime in the deep south here where I am, and the tree was land. It's part of the land. Brick wall. I think you know what this is going to be, don't you? That's real property right there. That's land. So if I trespass this, like if I removed a brick, that'd be trespass to land, right? But that sign back there, if I just removed that and left with it, that'd be trespass to chattels. Some people over there might be looking at me. It's like a family on bicycles. I'm going to walk away from them. I think they're touring campus with their daughter, and I don't want them to think that this is like weird, like Cal Berkeley or something. So how about this? Ooh, brick path. Very nice. Well, I love the brick. Gives a nice collegiate feel. Okay, so that's part of the land too. It's permanently affixed to the land. It's part of the land. It's part of what we call real property. Real property, land that's owned is the same thing. This Nanocenter. This strikes me as kind of large for a Nanocenter. I'm not seeing a lot of chattels here. It's kind of a land-rich environment. Here's something we can test. Not the squirrel. I'm going to leave the squirrel alone. I'm not like, yeah, they never know what that sound means. Is the person crazy or going to give me a donut? They don't know. But let's test this. That's land. It's not a kicking. It's not moving. If I could pick it up and move it, it'd be a chattel, but I can't do that. That's permanent improvement to the land. That's real property. That. Now, what did I do? Kicking that fire hydrant? I think I probably had permission to put my foot on there. It's probably not a trespass to land. So, if it's, I found the holes, which is kind of amazing. But the point is if it's tangible property and it's not land, it's not real property, it's not land or a fixed land or a building or an improvement on land, then it's a chattel. Yeah, there's the family on bicycles. They kind of looked at me and then looked away.